Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar unboxing to share with you and it is super tiny. This is the smallest advent calendar I've ever unboxed and it is by Benefit and this is the 12-day advent calendar, and I do like the fact that it's smaller because I had the Benefit advent calendar last year and there's a lot of packaging because most of the products inside are the little minis. You don't need a massive box, do you? But yeah, I just thought this is so cute. Look. Each item has its own little box there, numbered. The cost of the advent calendar is £58.50. They currently have an offer on where you can purchase this advent calendar or anything else off the Benefit website at a 20% discount by using code FUN. I'll pop it down below in description as well as the other discounts. So if you're interested in this advent calendar for yourself or any other Benefit products off the Benefit website, then it'll all be listed down there. So underneath this video you see show more or a downward arrow. If you to click that, that'll bring up my description and everything will be listed in there. Our advent calendar is filled with 12 fan favourites for fabulous festive looks that will last all holiday long and beyond. Just open the door to more. I do really like it. It's cute. But let's get on to opening it up and seeing what's inside. So day number 1 then, and they're wrapped up inside as well. Okay. We have got the roller liner and this is in black. I really like this liner. It's got a massive nib. You can create lots of thicknesses with it, but yeah, it is really, really good. It's really pigmented too. I'm just making a mess now. But yeah, I love the roller liner. So that's day number 1. You're so funny holding it up like this. Normally I'm like this, trying to hold these advent calendars up because I don't have a table or anything around me. But no, it's so handy and it's lightweight as well. So day number 2. And we have got a brow pencil. This is Precisely My Brow and we've got it in shade 3. 3 is the middle of the range colour, which is more of a universal colour, I suppose. If you're super blonde or super black, then yeah, you might think, oh well, no, 3 is pointless for me. I use 3. Although saying that, I've got my eyebrows microbladed. And I haven't used any products on them for a couple of months now, but I am noticing they are slightly starting to fade, which I prefer because they were a bit too dark when I first had it done. I will start doing little strokes in there just to give it more of a natural look instead of quite a flat colour, if you know what I mean. I've been buying the Precisely My Brow for years and years and it's one of my favourite eyebrow pencils out there. So that's day number 2. Day number 3. Ooh! And we've got a They're Real mascara. I'm going to be passing that on because it's not my favourite mascara. Benefit do amazing mascaras. There are a few that I absolutely love, but unfortunately my lashes just don't like this one. I've got very short, straight, thin lashes. It just does not work properly. So I'll pass that on. Maybe my daughter would really like it. So that's day number 3. Day number 4 up the top here. And we've got a pore primer and it's one of my favourite pore primers out there. The Porefessional pore primer and there's 7.5 mils here. This is fab. This is absolutely brilliant. I have got really large pores. I haven't got blackheads, I haven't got acne anymore. I am on medication to stop all that, but I am left with really, really large pores and I need to fill them up. I need something in order to have like a really nice smooth look to my skin. Just here. I don't usually wear it anywhere else. It's just on my nose and just underneath my eyes here, just where the pores stand out a little bit more. Yeah, I do love it. What number are we now? Must be number 5 down here. And we've got the Roller Lash mascara. I love this one. I do love this one. Now the one doesn't look too different, does it, to the They're Real? But this one has got a curve. Can you see? It's got a slight curve to it. But it really grabs at my lashes and lifts them. I do really like it. Normally ones that look like this I used to stay away from because I used to think, nah, they're useless, they don't do enough for me. But for some reason this one works. My lashes like it. So there's that. Number 6. And we've got a Gimme Brow in shade 3. So this is a tinted eyebrow gel got a tiny little wand, as you can see there, which lifts up the hairs, sets them in place, but also just gives a little bit of a colour to them as well. Yeah, I do really like this, and shade number 3 is what I would have gone for anyway, so really happy with that. Day number 7. And we have got a Hula Bronzer. This is their iconic bronzer. Gorgeous for contouring as well. Ooh, can you see there? A really nice size. They're all minis, obviously. They're all minis. There's no full-size items in this box. There, can you see there? My hand. So yes, we've got a Hula Bronzer. Number 8. And we have got Bad Girl Bang Mascara. This is a brilliant mascara. It is water resistant. Takes a really good makeup balm to get it off. But I really like it. It makes my lashes really black. Really black. And it lifts and lengthens. Yeah, I do really like it. Number 9. Here we go. We've got a 24-hour brow setter. This is an eye gel, a clear eye gel. Again, another product I really love. See the wand there. The only problem is I find that it doesn't grab my brows that well. I think if you had thick eyebrows, it'd be fine because it'd go through easy. I don't know. But as far as the formula is concerned, yeah, it's lovely. It is really good. I'm not sure about 24 hours though. Counting down, 3 to go. Number 10. Got another powder. And we have got Dandelion. Now this is a brightening powder. Let's say here, baby pink brightening face powder. See the colour. Let's try a bit on my hand. No, you're not going to see much because it's very subtle. Again, another nice size. Number 11, we have got the Porefessional Hydrate Primer. This does exactly the same as the original Porefessional, but this one provides more hydration. I've got normal to combination skin. I've used this before, but I do prefer the Porefessional, the original one. That's my preference, but I will use it if I grab for it. Last one in the advent calendar, day number 12. And we've got, feels like a mascara, but which one is it? It's Benefit They're Real, the Magnet Mascara. Now, I was sent one of these from Benefit back in the summertime, I think it was, to try, and it just doesn't suit my lashes. It's just They're Real. I just don't like it. And the magnet one, it made no difference to me or whatsoever. Powerful lifting and lengthening mascara. Yeah, the one there. I'm sure I can pass that on to someone that'd love it. So those are all the products inside this year's Benefit 12-day advent calendar, which comes in this gorgeous little box, which you can use to store things in all year round, maybe. Some jewellery, makeup, your Benefit makeup products. Yeah, I do really like that box. All these products are minis, and you can actually go out and buy some of them as minis as well. I'm glad I went for it. I bought it because I love Benefit, not solely just for a YouTube video. So I am glad I went for it. No different really from last year. No different. Inside contains their most famous products. Some of them I like, some of them I don't, but I will be passing on the ones that I don't to friends or my daughter. Handy sizes to take away with me if I was to go away for the night or something like that. Yeah, no, I do really like it. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. Do you love Benefit? What do you think of this advent calendar? Have you bought it already for yourself or as a gift for Christmas or family or whatever, or friend? Or are you watching this thinking, do you know what, Claire, now that I've seen it, I'm not interested? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know, so please comment down below. But thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.